Hello, everybody. Get this all set up. I'll have to do this every time, but... Okay. Alrighty. Hopefully my mic isn't, like, making a weird noise. It's been doing that lately. I don't know why. But... Okay, on to these AI shenanigans. Not going to try and do too much tonight, but... I already did a little bit today, but... Hey. All right. So here's where we were at, or where I was at. I'm just wondering where I go from here, because I want the movement to be decent, and trying to think here. Because this moves at a target location. Wonder if I even need to really change this at all. So I want to do kind of the pathfinding manually here. Ooh, actually, I wonder... Well, no, we can't do that. How do I want to do this? I don't want it to be calculating the path every frame. That could be problematic. I mean, I can have it... Yeah, I don't know. wonder if... So we can do on execute AI. Oh, it's in the same graph too. Okay. So, okay, this might actually work. Because we want navigation, let's see. Where is it? Path cost. I don't know what that means, but find path to location. All right. So you want to find world location. No, it's not. It's not it. Actor location. Want to put that in the start. And then we want to put path end. Okay, so actually, okay. We're going to want to move this then to... And yeah, let's actually... All right, this can actually be good. This actually might be a good thing that I'm doing it this way now. Because now we can have all our setup here. And then this actually can go... Yeah, this is kind of annoying, actually. That's what this is for. Can put... Instead of this doing that... Put this here. Put this here instead. It kind of makes more sense. Because we grab the location here. Oh, whoops. And then we use the location for the endpoint here. It's a little tangled. This is kind of annoying, but maybe I'll just do that. Okay. So now we can get the points. What other stuff can I get from this, though? I'm wondering. I'm not really sure. It's like points, that's in variables. So what other variables are in here? Path points, get recalculate. Okay. Debug, enable debug drawing? What is that for? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna turn that on. Cause we'll see what it does. But we need points, so I'm actually gonna get my points here. Now, apparently, actually, you know what? We're going to, yeah, navigation path objects. Navigation path. So this apparently, it's saying that this will automatically update. So like find path. Like, oh yeah, well, it explains it here. Is there documentation for this? There is not. But finds path instantly and a find path synchronously. Main advantage over find path to location synchronously is that the resulting path will automatically get updated if the goal actor moves more than the tether distance away from the last path node. Now, yeah, there's a tether distance here. Oh, so maybe it doesn't matter with this because it's not actually tracking something. Oh, that's interesting. So actually, you know what? I mean, technically then we should kind of do this instead if it's an actor. You have 1.1k points? What does that mean? Oh, shit. Move this down a little bit. So move this here. This, I guess, can move down, actually, then. So this a little tidier. Hey, what's up, Gath? Or I don't know how to pronounce that name, but Gath Interactive. I'm just gonna say that. Gaddy H. How's it going? Okay, so then we need controlled pawn. I'm assuming that'll get us the right context here. Goal actor would be... Okay, so actually we would want to put... instead of doing that, put that up here. So this is a little messy. I don't know if I totally love this, but I could do it that way. Man, I probably could move this back a little bit. Move this back. Okay. Graphics card's getting hot. Something's hot on my computer. I just felt a warm whoosh of air. Let's make sure nothing's like overheating. No, we're good. All right, so then we get our navigation path. Which actually, okay, we'll set it here too for that. And then the path start will also be this. So actually make this a little bit more. This is kind of a little messy, but let's try and make it as clean as possible here. I hate messy blueprints. Like, I used to do messy blueprints because I didn't give a shit, but now I do. What are you working on today? The basis of the AI. I want to start building out all the basic, stuff that it's going to need. So, like, walking and attacking and spawning, too. That's a big one. Right now, I want to make it walk in kind of a believable way, so like the default Unreal Move to is kind of very, very basic. So I'm trying to make that look a little bit better and have like a turn radius for the character. I don't know how good this is going to be or how performant this is going to be, but we'll try it. So we have our navigation path now. And that's like a startup thing. And this might run more times based on... So we can put a delay. I just don't know if well... So I'm trying to think. If it's... Yeah, if I put a delay node... I think if I put a sequence and a delay node here... If if I want to make this really simple, it would be actually then 1. So I'd put this down here. It would do this first. I think, right? I mean, yeah. Don't you better use the behavior tree? Oh, I am. It's, you know, it's right here. I'm working on the tasks and, you know, how we're going to actually move to places. So we're like on the very start of this. I'm just trying to make the movement actually, you know, not like instantly moving towards a location like simple move to is. Kind of want it to have to turn a little bit and look like it's turning instead of spinning in place. Yeah. Because I wish that the simple move to was better. Like it just had more... I wish it had a little bit more to it. It's very, very simple. It's almost a little too simple. I feel like at the very least, like you'd want a turn radius for an actor, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to do is like implement some sort of like turn radius so it actually like turns on a curve instead of just turning in place. Because that's what the simple move to does. I don't like that. So yeah, so interested how you're gonna do it then. Basically, we're gonna take, because we can like get the path manually using this node, and we can get our paths or our nodes here, or I should be able to. What was it called though? Yeah, path points. So we can get our points, but we're not gonna do that yet. But we can get our points from here, and it's basically gonna like every tick move towards those points. Yeah, kind of like a rotator with a curve, sort of. Once it's in action, I think it'll be easier to see here. So I'm gonna try and like do a first pass of this, and see if it does what I want it to do. So this will be like our, you know, refresh, because it might need to refresh. I think I guess it doesn't have to refresh if it's an actor, because apparently it says that it automatically will get updated if the goal actor moves a tether distance away from the last path node. So, and that's why hopefully this debug thing works too, because hopefully there's just built-in debug and we can see this in action, because but yeah, it'll like, it's almost like we're directing like the character will always move forward. It will always move forward. But we're turning it here, like on a tick, event tick. We're turning it and like interping the turn, so like we're facing it and then we're just moving forward. If that makes sense. So again, it'll kind of make more sense once we're able to see it. But so I think we can just like run this again. If we want to refresh, and so I guess we'll just make this refresh or path refresh time. I don't know if that's the greatest name in the world, but and we'll do, so this is how many seconds it'll update the path. So I'll say we'll give it like a second. I don't think it actually really needs to be that low, honestly, but for now, we'll just do that so that it's accurate. I just don't know if it'll have to update if it's an actor, because I don't know if we like might not have to. Might only have to set it once, that's what I'm curious about. So actually, since this is always going to be an actor, I think, because we're getting it from here, and it's always going to, the way I have it set up right now, at least, is it always gets an actor. So, obviously when this changes to move to an arbitrary location, that'll be different. But for now, just moves to the player. So we can test out our theory. We don't necessarily need that yet. But now, this is where I'm not really sure how I'm going to use these points. Because it's like it needs to know when it gets to the next point. And it needs to choose a next target location. Which, I mean, I guess what it could do. I'm trying to think. I just don't want it iterating through the path points every single time, every single frame. I don't know if that's a good idea. Like that could be a little cringe. I don't know. What about using an animation curve? I don't. The thing about that is technically the simple implementation kind of already does that. And plus we want this to work with the nav mesh, so it can't be like some arbitrary curve, you know? It actually kind of needs to be calculated mathematically, which is kind of annoying, but it makes sense. Because we want to use the nav mesh, because we don't want it to run into walls, you know? That's the whole point of getting the path here. It's just now those points, like it could start moving towards those points, but it needs to like do it in a way where it knows like which point it's on, and I don't know if doing this on tick is going to work out unless I do a timer to check it. But I don't know. I don't know. I mean, we could try, you know, we could try doing a loop on the points every time. It's just because what we'd have to do is we have our target location for basically this part of the logic. This makes it move. So we would have to put something at the beginning here to kind of so like if we get our navigation path, and we'll do a validated get just in case if this is not like valid yet. So we get our points. And for each loop, we want to get, like, we want to find the closest one, right? And that's where we want to walk to. Or, because I feel like it already, though, is in that order. That's the only thing. Like, do we need to even perform this calculation? I don't think so. But then again, how does it know that it's at a certain point and where it's at on that list? You know? And then is it a new list, right? If we refresh it, is it a new list of path points? I mean, because what I could also see happening here is it'll just move. It'll go back and forth between points if I do it this way. I don't want that. I mean, unless I guess I could just, like, you know, if it hits a certain point, it can't choose that point anymore. So I want it to be able to kind of, because it'd be so nice with the behavior tree if all I have to do here is put in a target and it just goes, you know? Like, I don't want to have another task to, like, determine what node it's on, you know? It has to be all in here. It'd be nice if it's all in here. I just, how do I keep track of this easily? I don't know. I guess I could kind of do it the way that I wanted to do it. Gosh, this fucking microphone. I think here's what I'm thinking. So we'll take this and we'll, the thing is, we're going to have to make another array here, which is annoying, but current points. Then we'll, that means, okay, so we're going to have to clear this every time. sure that's cleared. And then we want to add all of these. Or, well, we don't want to add them. Hold on. Do I need 2 arrays? Because I need to check. Oh, I know what I need to do. Okay. No, I know what I need to do. All right. I don't need vectors. I just need, I need a list of points that I'm on. So, so we'll do like current points, I think. So, because it won't go, like, I want to make it so that so actually, if we do a for each, hold on. Because actually, now that I think about it, this actually might be better as a regular for loop. If we're working with indexes here. So we'll put first index in here. Or whoops, wait, no. It's last index. We need to -1 from this though. And then so our current, we'll set our current point. And move this, I need to move this back again. And we'll get the distance here, so oh shit, this is gonna get messy. Well, actually no, it won't. I just need to do this. Yeah. So now we get from here, we get our current point, use our current point, and we see the distance, which I think we get our controlled pawn actor, or distance, to, oh shit, we need distance. Oh my god, what is that's not an actor. I was doing this like down here, wasn't I? Or fine, no. Oh, I know there's a way. Hold on. Maybe I'm stupid and all I have to do is just... Oh, but see, no, I want the distance. I want the distance. Get horizontal distance too. That's not what I want. Let me do distance vector. Okay, this is what we want. Location. So we want from here to here. And basically if this if this is our if it's less than or equal to, no, not less than, to a minimum point, or yeah, point distance. Wait, I thought I was naming a variable, god damn it. Minimum point distance. Take that. Oh, it's already there. Okay. So if it's less than our minimum point distance, right? Is that the right node? Yeah. So if it's less than our minimum point distance, then we want to essentially increment this Want to increment this. And so is this going to need a break? I think it will. I think this might need a break. Wait. For loop with break. Okay. No. Oh, you're lagging. Might need, because I think we'll need to break it if we get a new point. So let's match this up. It's just gonna get a little messy, but we have to like do that, which is, it's one thing again with blueprints, man, and doing like for loops with breaks. You have to like do this shit. So gross. Okay, I'll make this a little bit longer now because I need more space. Crazy how close this logic is to my coin game, yeah. Dude, this is, I'm telling you, man. Oh boy, okay. I think that's good for now. But then we also, this isn't it. We have to do something else here. We need to set our target location to our points here. So this is gonna have to like kind of snake around here. That's all right, I think. It's a little like messy, but it gets the point across. So in theory, this should run. And then when this is completed, we just go move. Try and make this look as good as I can make it. It's not too bad. This needs to be straightened out. Yeah, it's not too bad. All right. So, just making sure this works. Oh, wait a minute. I need to, hold on. Oh, no. We're good. No, we're good. We actually do want to do this before we get the next location, I think. So we're getting better understanding since I called needing a Boolean, aka branch. Yep. I just want to, because if it's the first, if we need to go to the first point, will this work? I think it won't because we might have to add a special check if it's 0, I think. Because it's got to start somewhere, you know? I mean, unless actually, I mean, if we call this, we have to set, unless we set it initially. Wouldn't it clean up those long lines? Well, yeah, I'm gonna, or isn't there a good way to collapse nodes into a smaller node and get the same? You can, yeah. I just don't do that because At least not all the time. I like like, yeah, it does get pretty long, but I do like seeing what's going on here instead of it being nested and I have to like click on it. It's just all here for me to see, but maybe I might condense it. I just like seeing all the logic up front. Yeah, we don't really need like that anymore. So we have to initialize it. It's just we don't want it to happen every time. So I think what is going to happen here is we'll have to initialize it, I think, actually, because we initialize it when we initialize this, I think. At least. Although we don't want to do it every time. We only want to do it once. That's the only fucking thing. I mean, I guess we could do a do once, just be cheeky like that. But I guess maybe we could do a do once. So we do a do once. And yeah, do once. And we set our target location. Joe forgets. Spent 2 hours helping me with blueprints. Oh, I didn't forget. That's crazy, though. Was it really 2 hours? Right, so I want to do that. Just double checking my work here. So you want to get the first point here. Oh, interesting. Wait a minute. Okay, actually we're going to make a new vector to move location. Just because technically target location is kind of relative to this. So it'd be better if we just use a different thing. So I don't want to I don't want to set something that's unrelated here and, you know, I want this to be its own thing. And then we have to replace these. Oh, no, we don't want to replace that, though. But well worth it since I understand what the fuck you're talking about, at least. Good. Geez, my computer's like just giving out these random tufts of hot air. I wish I could put this in another room, man. So it's getting hot in here. It's one thing, my last computer didn't get that hot. I mean, it still got hot, but it, you know, this thing's a monster. And it growls. It fucking growls. But you know, it'll be winter soon enough, and then I'll be thanking it. So okay, we need to get. By the way, am I streaming in 30 FPS? I just realized that. No, I'm not. It says 60. My OBS looks like it's in 30 FPS. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm getting distracted by that, but Whatever. Um. Fuck. Okay, I need to set this location. Whoops. So we get our path. We set it to the first node. All right. That's good. So we only do that once. And so then this should just tick up and move on to the next point, you know, every single time here. So, and yeah, we actually want to do current point as the current index as well. So we start there. So I guess technically we're not looping through everything here because we're breaking it before we do. And we're always starting on the index that we're on. So that actually might not be too bad for performance. I think that'll probably be just fine. But with that being said, I think this is ready to test. So, all right. I'm going to move my spawn point, or the spawn point's a little further away. And kind of facing towards that direction. Like right about here-ish. Over here. Okay. Okay, he's having trouble getting around the weapons. Does he know where to go? Okay, let me, that's interesting. He gets stuck on these. Let me move him. Whoa, God damn it, selected the floor. Let's move him over here. Oh, he's moving in circles. Also, why did the weapons reset when I moved them? That's a little weird. Because I guess these reset for some reason. Hopefully that's not a problem. Like, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I think that's just a weird bug. Okay, but yeah, he's moving in circles. Which I had a feeling was going to happen. I thought, though, that I was preventing that. Can we, yeah, I'll view the debug, maybe. So, if we look at this, oh. Gosh, why does it do that? All right. So, we're on 0.0. It's like, this is apparently 0. Which, why? We have a target location, which is a very weird number. The fuck? It's like a max number. But I guess we're not, it's technically not, we're not getting a location here. Disco zombie. saying this is an unknown class? Does it see me? Does it? It's gotta see me. Is it not really? So wait. Oh, gosh. I can't see what happens. Yeah, so it doesn't see me. Okay, that's a little weird. Did I fuck something up here? Enjoying the music. I don't know what music's playing right now. I have this other music playing because I have to play very specific music on YouTube or else they'll take down my stream. Just kind of annoying. But I'm glad the music is nice. So hopefully it's not like too bad. Also, it's not too loud, is it? Hopefully it's not too loud. Anyway. So, why is it not seeing me? Why is it not seeing me? I guess, too, it's like... So what was that number it was giving us? Like... Also, can we get the type? I don't think so. Because I also want to know if, like... If... We're getting into this scenario where... I mean, I guess if navigation path... If this equals 0... But see, that's just too... Send the music in Discord and no, it's not. It's not bad? Hold on. So I'm legit listening to different music. I mean, I did listen to this beforehand, so... But yeah, it is. It's not bad. I just don't know why it's not seeing me, man. Why is it not seeing me? It was seeing me before when I like did a simple version of this. I don't know what the problem is now. Okay, so it sees me there. And what? But it doesn't see me here. Even though we're taking the same target here. As target actor. The fuck? When will this be playable? I hope in a few months. That's what I'm hoping. So, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. It will, albeit like it'll be literally the first playable build, like something that like it won't be insane. It won't be insane, but like, you know, it'll be something. Okay, so got a little distracted here, but why is this, I still don't know why this isn't working. Because this is just not valid, and I don't know why. If we're setting it. And it's getting it from here, clearly. So, like, I don't know. I can't, like, move this value to here, even though I'm doing it. This is very weird. Print that. Yeah, okay. So, huh. It's like this huge number that I don't even know. I could try and print this. But yeah, it doesn't print anything. Why is it doing this, man? I didn't have this issue before. I don't know what the difference is. It? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Maybe I do know. Maybe I do know. We do need to have this refresh every once in a while because, yeah. Yeah. I know what's happening now. I know what's happening. So, this is being called once when technically it needs to be called multiple times because this will just run before this runs and then we don't get the target. So, yeah. So I guess this does have to kind of run every once in a while here. Just fine, I guess. But I want a way to know. The thing is, I want a way to know if we have a location or not. It's the one thing. Loop with the delay? No, well, we are delaying it. It's just we're doing it on tick, so it's already a loop. I'm just wondering how we can know if, because it's not as simple as saying, oh, this isn't valid, so we didn't find anything. It could also be a, a vector, an arbitrary location, but sometimes it could be neither. And I want to know that, but I don't know how to know that. No delay? Well, oh, delay to save resources. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. I'm delaying it because I want it to not, it's something that has to repeat in order to keep target. Yeah, pretty much. Because if we change the target, it technically won't know if we need to keep grabbing it. So huh. Yeah. First, I need to figure out if I can actually make it so that if it's not set to anything, that we know that it's not set to anything. Because how many, like... Can we measure the length of this? Okay, so it does... It is 0. It is 0 if we don't have anything. So... Basically, we'll go here and... If... This is not... less than 0. Oh, whoops. Not that. Okay. And we kind of want to do that check kind of up here too. So maybe we can make this into a little function. Name it like points valid. Or like our nav points valid. Make this pure. Okay, I'm sure, and you'll probably draw a new conclusion based off repeating what's happening. Man, just adds. PS quality on my end is 140p, and I can't see anything going based off what you're saying. Really? Is your internet bad or something? I don't. Or is the stream bad? I mean, we could check real quick. We could check real quick. No, we're good. At least on my end. You might want to like reload the stream or something. Alright, so now we want this to just return a return value. I don't know, like 3 minutes ago quality died. I have gigabit internet. I'll do that. Be right back. Okay. Okay. So we kind of want to do this check here as well. So actually, we want a greater than. Yeah, fixed. Nice. All right. So now we have a cute little function. Our point's valid. Use mobile instead of router. Really? Router broke. Yeah, so the debug data isn't like doing anything, of course, which kind of is annoying. Oh, well maybe... Oh no. I need my navigation path. Hopefully this does still work. Okay. I moved this on accident. Okay. So if the points are not valid, we kind of have to finish this execute with a failure. So yeah, so this is not valid, failed. This isn't valid, fail. Or we can just do this too. First thing in the pop of my head is the no bitches, and it's just no router. I mean, yeah, no bitches. Hey, Killer Canos, how's it going? Am I forgetting anything? I don't think we're forgetting anything. So let's see here. No, it's still doing the same thing. So it's now doing it though. But it's not hitting this? Okay, it has somewhere to move to. It seems like it's still trying to go to 0, 0 though, which is weird. Yeah, like what? Like, wait a minute. Why is this 0? And then this is not 0. Why are these two different? They're the same fucking thing. Like, what the fuck? Why is it doing that? Poor sad one. Well, it's like working, but not. I mean, there's a value here. And we have 2 values in here. But why is it only 2? Oh, probably because there's nothing complicated in between. But why is it not moving towards that is my question. This is bizarre. Because, like, we have a location here, but it's still trying to go to 0. Like, why? I don't... And why is this only happening? Like, oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Kind of have to break here too. You know what? Wait, why am I even using a for loop here? I just realized. Isn't it kind of unnecessary? Because we're not looping, actually, at this point. Like, we just have to check if we're on the last point. But even then, like, we don't need this. I don't know why I was doing that. But in theory, that shouldn't make it not work, though. Okay, now we're not moving. Oh, wait, yeah, I forgot. It still needs to go if it's false. Son of a bitch, man. Why is this happening? Is this two different things? I don't get it. This is so weird. I don't... I don't know why I'm setting that. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. It says the right number here, but here it's not the right number. I don't know why. Like, why is this 0 when the first thing here is like an actual number? I mean, hold on. Let me just try and get rid of this do once. Just see what happens. No, it still does the same thing. Okay, now it actually has a number, though. I don't understand, though. It's like constantly changing, too. He's actually like moving somewhere, though, now. Now he's like moving. Why is this not like working the way I want it to, though? I thought this was like solid. And it's not. Unless it's like this shit. But it's like moving now in a weirder way. It's not it's moving somewhat, but it's just like still going in circles for some fucking reason. Not sure why. Unless... Technically, every time this runs, I think we might have to set this shit to 0. This is weird. This constantly is changing, which is weird. Oh, this is so annoying. Like, I don't know why this is happening. Why is it moving in circles? Let's try and increase this time limit to like 5 seconds. Okay, I don't even know if it has a number yet at that point. Why is it moving? What the fuck? Yeah, it starts off invalid, so what the hell? No debug data. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, I'm stupid as fuck. This needs to just be a greater than. Okay, hold on. Ah, what? How? Wait, what the hell? What? It like instantly gets called. How is that? Bro, how does that? This part instantly gets called. Why? It gets called twice. It should not. That should not happen. What is it getting called on? Okay, where is this target? I spawn here. And yeah, so it's about... We are getting the target right. When it does get it. Now it's like doing some doing shit that I don't like. It's just not. Somehow this is firing off when it's not even getting called to fire off again. Like, I could totally disconnect that and this will fire twice. Like, what the fuck? What? Why? Like, oh, is it because this is failing? Oh. I see. So if this fails to execute, it'll do it again. Okay. I see what it's doing. So technically it fixes that problem, whereas we don't have something valid, it'll go again, but we still need it to refresh. It's just... like, why is it just, like, moving like that? I don't understand why it's, like, moving around like this. Again, I'm gonna get rid of this. So it has 247. It's like trying to go somewhere, but it can't. Maybe our acceptance radius has to be bigger. Oh yeah, wait, it's 0. Holy fuck. Okay, that could have been a problem. Ah, that's why. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this also. So honestly, it has to be the same as acceptance radius. And I think we want that to be like 1,000. Let me just see, put it to a big number and see what it does. Okay, why is it going back? Where is it going? Where are you going, dude? You want to go back to 0, 0. Why? The fuck? What? It like does half the job now. Oh, you know what? You know what? Yeah, whoopsie. We still need to get and set target location. Even if this is an actor. Gosh, there's so many little things I end up forgetting about. Jank is so beautiful. I always end up forgetting some bullshit, man. It's always something. All right. Okay, it should stop though and move towards me again. I mean, okay, at least it's getting there. We can get rid of this print. Because this never succeeds, I don't think. If we watch it. Yeah, it never succeeds. Which is a little odd. The acceptance radius is like 500. Does it need to be bigger than that? Fuck it, I'll put it at like 1500. Oh, no, okay. Why? Where are you going? What? The fuck? Why are you... Why did it just go to 0, 0? What? There's... Why is this 0, 0? What? Why? Oh, what the fuck? How did our current point get that high? The hell? Oh, okay, hold on. All right. Makes sense. Okay. So ugh. I don't know why it's doing that though. It shouldn't be, it shouldn't stay true. So why is it staying true for longer than a tick? That's kind of weird actually. I don't know why it's... Is it like the frame rate spikes that's causing it to do that? No. It just gets to a point where it... But see, now it's false. And now we're on 1. Which is valid, is a valid point. But this is not where I'm standing. I'm going to change this to be the last point. So so that will be its destination. I mean, I shouldn't have to do this, but no. There it goes again. We are getting a success though. It's just, it's stopping at the wrong spot. Like, why is it going that way? Oh my god. This is... I thought this was gonna not be that hard. But somehow this is like what is happening? There's some like bad part in my logic here. I don't know where it is though. Obviously, I guess we want to clamp this to the length. But this shouldn't... Yeah, okay. Again, though, I don't see a reason I would necessarily need to do this. Or having this, you know, change anything. There's something I'm doing wrong here. I don't really know what it is. Because clamping this is still, like, I really don't think that'll make a huge difference, to be honest with you, but... Might have something to do with this. I just don't know. I wish this would work. I don't even know what the string is. Just doesn't work. It is looking towards me. Like, why is it... Okay, now it got me again, but... See, now I think it's in my... It's in... the acceptance radius. Where is it going now? What the fuck? Why? What? What is it doing? I don't understand, man. so confused. Where like what is happening? It's doing the bullshit again where I'm setting it, but so I think I'm gonna put this do once back. Okay, now what is it doing? Okay, I think it's in the acceptance radius. So, which I made huge. So we'll turn that down. 500. Should come closer. All right, it's just, why is it like slowly moving? Oh, maybe because maybe we want to move this around. Because if we're not there yet, we want to move, and if we're there, we don't want to move. That's why that's happening. So. All right. Perfect. Oh my god, that took way too long. Reduce that to like 100. But if I move here, okay, it doesn't. Oh boy. No, we're still having circle problems. Hold on, is my acceptance too low? Technically, oh, maybe it is. All right. 200. Okay, 200 is a little too far. Okay, that's a little too far still. Maybe like 110, honestly. It's still, it's weird. 10, so 100's too close though. I think at least. But see, I want it to even be closer, but then yeah, see, now it gets confused. Ugh. So I'm honestly, this actually might have to be a different number. Yeah, there we go. Or no. Fuck. Oh, I wish I could see the nodes happening on the ground. Hey, what's up, Omega? I'm really frustrated. I slammed the desk. So I want to see the nodes. I wish I could see them. I might have to make a little function for it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing, Omega. That's what I'm thinking of doing. I just don't want to do it. Like, I wish this node would do it, but it doesn't. I don't know why, but so I guess I'll just make a function here. So let's do our vectors. So we take our points, and for each point, first we want to do get all components. Or get, can I do that, or shit? I might have to make an actor. I can't get all components. Can I? I mean, box overlap components. You can get components by class? Oh. Well, but I need to get like all components in the world. I don't see that. I only see like get all actors, which is kind of annoying. I think you're right with get components by class, but I can't. Hold on, let me consult the almighty AI gods and see if I am missing something. Maybe it's limited in the. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. I get all actors. I don't think so. I don't see it in here either. Let's see what chat says. No, that's not what I. No. I want to get all the. Can you not do this? It's quite broad. Yeah, well, I mean all all components in the world, all primitive components that currently exist. For example, did they remove it in 5.0? I don't know. Oh, that you can see it in 427. Yeah, because that's the thing. I thought I remember using it. Primitive component. Yeah. Oh my god. What is the node? I don't want to. I know what a primitive component is. I just had that for as an example. Why did it? The fuck? To be able to get. Or spawned the world similar to get all actors of class. Try that, just threw it together. What do you have? Oh wait, get you can use T actor iterator, T object iterator. Okay, this is C++ though. I'm not currently like yeah, get component, but this I don't think. I think you actually have to like get it off an actor. That's the problem. Yeah, see, you have to get it off an actor. Just sent a link. Can you see it? Oh, I don't know if links are enabled right now. I don't know how to. I have to look into enabling links. Shit. I don't. Damn it. I don't know how to enable links. I have to look into that. Unless you like somehow post the link and like put spaces or something, then I could probably see it. Yeah, I have a Discord. Should be. Again, I wonder if I could send the link. If I should be able to though. Where are my invites? Okay, it's not showing. Don't hide invite links. Where? Am I stupid? Wait, where is this link? There's a spot that I know. Oh, invites. Okay, Jesus. Here's the invite code. It's not a link, but if you paste that in the join Discord, that's the code for it. But yeah, you might have to. I might have to get it as an actor. I don't know if you can really get it just generically on the world. Which I did make an actor for this. The invite is invalid or expired? Really? Hold on. Decode that base 64. Wait. No. This should be the same link. Okay, why did it... Hold on. Oh, I can't see the base 64 either. If you posted a base 64, it blocked that too. I was like, decode that base 64. What are you talking about? But it probably blocked that too. Oh, there you go. Okay. It's weird how you couldn't put the code in, because it's like literally the same code, but... Alright, I see you in there. Oh. So yeah, see, this is... I guess I could do this, yeah. See, that's, yeah. You have to get it off an actor. I mean, thing is, I don't even know if we could spawn a component. Like, we have to spawn an actor anyway, so I might as well just use an actor. Which, technically, I already have one. Where is it at? I called it, like, path node. Yeah. Or no, not flying path node. I call it, like, debug. Hold on. Yeah, nav points is what I called it. So, I'm gonna disconnect this. This is old shit. Nothing else seems to be in here though. We'll just use these for now, I think. I mean, I probably should just make a brand new. You know what? Fuck it. Fine. I'll make a brand new fucking thing because I don't want to overcomplicate the old stuff. And have cross references. Just a bad thing. I'm going to have this in my utilities folder here. Let's put it in AI because this probably can go with anything. Let's do path node. We'll do a sphere. And I kind of want to make it a different color. We'll make it a little small. Like 0.025, I think is it. Oh, okay, that might be too small. 0.25. That's probably good enough. Then no collision. So get all actors of class, path nodes, and we literally want to destroy them all. So hopefully like this works with destroying them while it's looping through them. I think it's fine though. Oops. Okay, and then for each of these, just spawn actor, path node. Oops. Path node. And transform. No. Make this transform. That should be okay. Make this a little neater. Wait, what did I called this points? Okay. Because I also preferably would want to do a line trace between them, so I know where they're going. So basically, after the first one, so if this is greater than 0, we also want to Get this -1. Let's move this a little bit. This is a little messy, but whatever. To make this longer. This, I guess, can go up here. We want to do a line trace by channel. That starts here and ends here. And get some sleep. All right, see you, Dudley. I should probably get some sleep soon too, but I just want to get this in a semi-working state so I could sleep well, knowing that I accomplished something. That should be okay. I probably maybe want to make this a little longer so I could fit this in here. Yeah, this is a little messy. I like it to be, but okay. I don't know if we want to do it for duration. Well, the duration, though, would be how much this is refreshing or how much this is getting called. I just wish that it could, you know, get rid of the traces. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that, though. Unless I just do it persistent, or not persistent, but for one frame, and we just keep spawning the nodes on tick. Not the greatest thing in the world, you know, but oops, I want to name this. Draw debug nodes. And get our points. Huh? Cannot pass a read-only variable to a reference parameter? Huh? What do you mean? Why is it not like that? What? Cannot pass a read-only variable to a reference parameter. Okay, so then can I make it so that it'll work? I can't change this though. Cause then it's like I can't add shit to this. But see, it allows me to add stuff to that. That's why I don't. What is it talking about? Is it because of that specific thing? Oh, okay. Now it's working. What? Wait, no, it's not. Why doesn't that work? I guess we can. Guess we could do this. This is not what I wanted to do, but yeah, that's kind of stupid. I don't know why I have to do this, but okay. Whoa. Oh boy. Yeah, it's killing performance. Okay. Stop. 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 No. Oh my god. Okay, jeez. Holy fuck. So, yeah. Might have to deal with... Wonder if I could spawn components off of this. No, not... Just have to add a mesh. Add a tag. That's a good spear. Get controlled pawn. I'm doing a static match component. Yep. All right, so that gets replaced. I don't know if that'll fix the problem, but oh boy. Nope. What the fuck? It's like not even the right spot. Oh my god. I want to finish this, but fucking... Why you have to be a bitch? It's gonna crash anyway, man. I might call it here. I don't know. I have to force quit this anyway, and I don't feel like relaunching it. Well, I'm kind of mad. I'm not satisfied, but I'm getting tired. So, might call it here. But I am getting right back on this tomorrow. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys probably soon. Where did my thing go? What the fuck? Alright, see ya.